Hello. Okay, in the last class we have to study difference between electrostatic force and gravitational force. So just now we have to discuss about what are the another point based on the electrostatic force and gravitational force. First point, electrostatic force more stronger than gravitational force. Electrostatic force is more stronger than gravitational force. But in the case of nuclear force is the strongest force. After that electrostatic force, then gravitational force. We have to consider what is the difference between electrostatic force and gravitational force. First difference is electrostatic force is more stronger than gravitational force, and strongest force is nuclear force. Okay. Nuclear force means the force that act between protons and neutrons of atom. You already know atom is the smallest particle of the element. Inside of the atom, nucleus are there. Inside of the nucleus, protons and neutrons are there. So nuclear force means attraction between protons and neutrons. This nuclear force can exist between proton to proton, neutron to proton, and neutron to neutron. Proton-proton attraction is also called as nuclear force. Neutron-proton attraction is also called as nuclear force, and neutron-neutron attraction is also nuclear force. This nuclear force hold in the nucleus together but do not obey the Coulomb's law. This nuclear force means it helps to bond the neutron to proton attraction inside of the nucleus, but do not obey the Coulomb's law. Okay, this is the first difference in the case of electrostatic force and gravitational force. Electrostatic force is more stronger than gravitational force. More stronger than gravitational force. In the electrostat, strongest force is nuclear force. What is nuclear force? Attraction between proton to proton, neutron to proton, and neutron to neutron. Okay, what is the use of that? It is help to hold together inside of the nucleus, but it do not obey the Coulomb's law. Point number 2, gravitational force is always attractive, but electrostatic force are attractive at the same time repulsive. So attraction and repulsion both are happening in the case of electrostatic force, but in the case of gravitational force only attraction, no repulsion. So point number 3 of the difference between them, gravitational force do not depends on medium. Gravitational force does not depends on medium, but electrostatic forces depends on medium. So three difference in the case of electrostatic force and gravitational force. First one, electrostatic force is more stronger than gravitational force. Second one, electrostatic force is always attractive, but gravitational force is attractive at the same time repulsive. And gravitational force do not need any medium, but electrostatic force is needed medium. Okay. Next is principle of superposition. The principle of superposition states that when a number of charges are interacting, the resultant force on a particular charge is given by the vector sum of all the forces acting on the individual charge. That means we have to consider here, this is a charge Q1, and this one is Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5. From Q1 to Q2 we have to experience forces F12, Q1 to Q3 F13, Q1 to Q4 F14, Q1 to Q5 F15. We can see here first two different charges are Q1 and Q2. That experienced force is F12. So we have to write, depends on the Coulomb's law, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R21. Okay, this R21 is the unit vector. Similarly, Q1 Q3 divided by R31, unit vector of R31. Similarly, Q1 Q4 divided by R41 square, like that. So we have to consider what is the common term here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 in each case, 1 by 4 pi epsilon here, take it outside. Other points are Q1 Q2 divided by R21 plus Q1 Q2 divided by R31 plus Q1 Q2 divided by R41, like that. So what is superposition principle? How many forces are here? We have to take algebraic sum of all the forces. That means force means attraction between the two different charges. That means Coulomb's law we have to apply. Take the common term outside, we have to get in this expression. Okay, this is a superposition principle. Algebraic sum of all the forces. The algebraic sum is denoted by the symbol is this one, and n 1 to f. Fn means total forces 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, epsilon n 1 to n q naught qn divided by rn square, rn cap. Rn cap is denoted by the unit vector.